Something I often do when I'm sick is to leave kids the instructions. I create little tutorial videos explaining what it is I want them to do in my absence. And it's possible maybe that's one way we could do some of our distance learning during the coronavirus outbreak. So how I do that is I go into my Launchpad and I find QuickTime and I launch it. And when you open it up, you get this little window. It's just asking you, hey, which file do you want to open? I don't want to open a file. I want to create one. I'm just going to say cancel. You're going to see that even though you see all this in the background, that's not QuickTime, but QuickTime's up here. It says QuickTime Player. I can click and say File and choose New Screen Recording. And then I go down here and I'm going to want to make sure that it records my MacBook Pro's microphone and shows mouse clicks in recording. So then I can go ahead and hit record, and you have an option sort of drag out a box of what you want to record, or just to click and record the whole screen. I'll just click right now and record my whole screen. So now it's recording the whole screen, and then I might give a demonstration about what I want them to do. I might jump into Schoology and say, today we're going to work on our entrepreneurship unit in design, and we're going to work on creating a how might we statement. So here are the instructions. Obviously there's a bit more that I want to say than what is posted here, so I might do a little explanation about what a how might we statement is and how we build a how might me statement, and blah 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 and blah blah blah. And I might talk about what I'd like them to hand in on Schoology at the end. So hand in their how might we statement. And because we hand in everything on Schoology in class, the kids already know how to do that, so that's awesome. There we go. So that is how you make a screen recording. Then you can just hit stop up here. What happens then is QuickTime pops open a video. So check it out. Here's the video we just recorded. So now it's recording the whole screen, and then I might give a... So then I can do a couple of things with this video. I like to save it. Well, saving it is important. So I'll say File and Save. I can throw it on my desktop, and I'll just call it Screen Recording. And now it'll just chug along and save. Then I can close it. So then I could just go right onto Google Drive and upload it there. So I'll go to my drive and I'll put it wherever I want. I have a photos and videos folder, but you might have a different way of organizing your Google Drive. And I'm going to go in there and I will upload it. So here we go. I'm in the folder now where I want to upload it. I'll say new, and I'll say file upload. And you can remember we just saved that on my desktop and we called it screen recording. So then I'll click. And now it'll start to upload. You can see down here in the corner, it's going to tell me how long it's going to take. It's going to take 6 minutes to upload. So my internet speed here at home is not quite as fast as school. At school, that would be 30 seconds or something. Anyway, so it'll upload. And then let's assume this is the video I just uploaded, so we don't have to sit here and watch. So then what you can do is you can right click on the video. You can say get shareable link. It says link sharing is off. So what I'll do is just turn link sharing on and then click on the link and let me do that again. Click, get shareable link, copy the link and copy it. Or just, sorry, I'm gonna go right click and say share, and then I'll copy this link here. Maybe that's the easier way of doing it, and then say done. So then I could go right into my Schoology courses. Go and I could post that as an update. So I could say something like, today in class, we will be working on our how might we statements. Please watch the following video for an explanation. And then paste the link and say post. So now when the kids come to class, they will see this link. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I should have posted the link like this with the link button. So So I'll post it there and say, I should give it a better name than that, but for speed I won't. And then they can click the link here and boom, watch the video. Okay, so that's another way that we might do some distance education if that is helpful or if that works with your teaching style.